Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss a cue card. Describe an item of clothing that someone gave you. Now let's begin with the cue card. Describe an item of clothing that someone gave you. When you speak on this cue card, you have to cover the following cues. You should say, what was the clothing? Who gave it to you? When do you get it? And explain why this person gave you the clothing. Now let's begin with the sample answer for this cue card. Receiving presents is always pleasant as people feel special. I have received several gifts from my loved ones on various occasions in my life. Here I would like to talk about a very special piece of cloth that was a shirt which was gifted by my friend Mike. Mike is my childhood friend, so we are very close to each other. Last year, he wanted to give me something on my birthday. After considering many options, he decided to give me a shirt. I have to say, at my birthday party, when he handed over me this gift, I was more than happy. It was a plain formal shirt in navy blue, which is my favorite color. Although it was not from a renowned brand, its fabric was of high quality. When I tried it out, it looked awesome on me and enhanced my personality. I thanked him for giving me such a precious gift and making me feel special. Recently, I wore this shirt at my cousin's wedding with denim and blazer, and I received a lot of compliments from my friends and relatives. I also clicked some photos in that shirt and posted them on Facebook as well. Apart from that, whenever I have to go on formal occasions, I like to wear that shirt. I also consider it lucky for me because every time I wear it, something special happens to me. Last month, I wore it on a job interview for a marketing representative, and fortunately I got selected by the company due to my personality. So this is a piece of cloth that my best friend gifted me. So this was the sample answer for this cue card. Now we will look at follow-ups for this cue card. The very first one is, what kinds of clothes do people wear after work? I would say it happens on individuals. Some people like to wear casual clothes because they usually have to wear their uniform at the workplace, but some individuals like to wear stylish clothes after coming back home so they can go out with their friends and family. Next question is, what kind of clothes should people wear at work? Well, some working professionals have to wear formal dresses like shirts and pants so they can represent their company. Then there are some types of jobs, especially labor class, in which workers have to wear a proper uniform so they can efficiently and safely perform their duties. Next question is, do you think students need to wear school uniforms? Of course, wearing uniforms is extremely important for students because this inculcates a sense of discipline among them. Wearing uniform also teaches them equality as they come to know that they all are equal. Next question is, where do Indian people buy clothes? I believe people in India buy clothes from various places. Some people, especially rich ones, prefer to wear branded clothes in shopping malls. Then many people also purchase non-branded clothes from local shops, which are comparatively cheaper than branded ones. So these were the sample follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification when we upload a new video. We also live on following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Do follow us there for latest updates. Thank you for being here.